Hey everybody, what is up? Shaun Hadsall here, the owner of Get Lean in 12 and Stubborn Fat Expert, coming at you with more no hype, rapid fat loss tips and tricks. And inside today's video, I want to address a reader question about cheat days and cheat meals. Debbie sent me this message on Facebook yesterday that said, Shaun, how come every time I eat a cheat meal or cheat food, I blow up and gain at least 2 or 3 pounds? Why does this not happen to other people? Well, truth be told, it probably does happen to everybody else. They're just not paying as much attention as you are. And the reason this happens is because most cheat foods are very high in carbs, sugars, and starches. And for every gram of sugar and starch that you consume on a cheat day, your body's gonna hold almost 3 grams of water. So it's only natural that you're gonna weigh 2 or 3 pounds the next day. The key is to stay off the scale and put damage control in place. So I have several things I want to share with you right now to put damage control in place. First thing is, remember the purpose of a cheat day. It's to give yourself a psychological reward after being good for 6 days. And it's also designed to reset fat burning hormones. Remember, after 6 days of low carb or low calorie dieting, leptin levels, your body's #1 fat burning hormone, get suppressed by almost 50%. So by eating high carb cheat foods, you can reset those leptin levels and get your fat burning going again for the next day. So there's 3 things that block leptin sensitivity on your cheat day that you should avoid: high fructose corn syrup, deep fried foods, and excessive alcohol intake. And of course, this is the hardest one for me because on a cheat day, the first thing I look forward to is vodka and my red wine. So the solution is, before I decide to go get a buzz, what I do is I eat a couple cheat meals to get the hormonal effect of resetting leptin levels. Then after a couple cheat meals, later on in the evening, I'll indulge a little bit and maybe get a little bit of a buzz off of alcohol. Now, there's 2 more critical things that you should do to make sure that you have damage control in place. The first one is the day after a cheat day, not only should you stay off the scale, you should increase your water intake dramatically. This will help get rid of the water bloating from the cheat food. Just understand, this couple pounds is not fat, it's water. The other thing that you could do is intermittent fasting. So somewhere around this video, I put a link that you can click or tap, and it'll send you over to my Siesta Key Beach diet. The backbone of this diet and exercise plan is intermittent fasting. And it's gonna show you exactly how to use this technique after a cheat day to get fat loss moving as fast as possible, or any day of the week to naturally increase your metabolic rate, to increase growth hormone levels, to quickly lose more belly fat, and to increase autophagy or autophagy. This is the process where your cells actually clean themselves. So intermittent fasting is one of the best protocols in the world to use to avoid today's deadly diseases, to reduce cellular aging, and to increase lifespan. So if you got something on this video, do me a favor, click the like button, throw me some hearts, share this with somebody, or drop a comment if you have questions, and then click the link somewhere around this video and go learn all about my Siesta Key Beach diet. You can get it for under $10. And we also have a money back guarantee like always. So thanks for watching this, and keep going strong.